guys, and welcome back to another Foodie Friday video. So today I'm so excited to try these. This is the Kit Kat Duo's Mocha and Chocolate. Like, can we appreciate the majesty that are these? I've only ever seen them once and I bought two, but oh my goodness, I am so excited for these. My goodness, do they have, let's see, caffeine in them? It doesn't mention if they do, but like, seriously, I'm so stoked. Oh my goodness. I cannot even start to tell you how excited I am. Like, I have not seen them since either, so I'm glad that I bought two when I did, but ooh, it's totally, oh, I already smell the chocolate and the coffee. The coffee is what I meant to say, not chocolate. Obviously, I smell chocolate. It's a Kit Kat, but dude, oh, I'm like drooling already. It's like totally that like mocha coffee color. Like latte, I should say, not even mocha. New favorite. New favorite. 5 out of 5, can already tell you right now. Oh my god. I knew they would be, given I adore anything coffee flavored. And this has bits of coffee in it. Hell to the yes. They are softer than most Kit Kats, that's why they're kind of falling apart in my hands here, but my goodness. I'm curious if it's dark chocolate or milk chocolate on the bottom. Let me look on the other one that I haven't torn all up. Does it say? Suppose it wouldn't. It's just chocolate, so I don't know if it says anywhere. I think it might just be milk chocolate, actually. It's not tart enough to be the other. But dude, that is so freaking good. I hope I can find these again, because I definitely want more. Oh my goodness. Could you imagine if they sold these in, like, the mega bags? You know I'd buy them. I'd probably be like 500 pounds, but I mean, you know I'd buy them. Good lord, that's amazing. If you like Kit Kats to start with, and you additionally love the taste of coffee, buy these. These are so good. My goodness. Absolutely cannot speak highly enough for them. So I don't end up just talking circles here. I'm gonna wrap this up, but yes, 5 out of 5. Perfection. Amazing. So, anyway guys, that is it for this one. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload, leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Anyway guys, till next time, bye-bye!